Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel. First of all, thank you all so much for showering so much love on my previous video where I showed you all that how we celebrated this Gauri Ganpati festival with lots of happiness and fun. So now the festivals are over and we are back to our normal life, routine life, and I am back to this content creation thing fully. So today I wanted to talk to you all about a very important thing. That is what we must do in our 20s. Guys, I feel that 20s is the best time period, is the golden time period of anybody's life. And this decade can make or break your life. So that's why I wanted to talk to you all about the same. So let's begin with it. Before starting out, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it right now and don't forget to press that bell icon so that whenever I come up with new video, you will get the notification. As I said earlier that the 20s is the best time, is the golden time that you can have in your life, and you can do so many things in your 20s that can make your future the brightest. So what are the things that you must do? Like must do in your 20s. So in this series, the first thing will be learning at least 3 new things. So what can be these 3 things? First thing, you can learn a new art altogether. That art can be anything: drawing, painting, poetry, singing, dancing, or any new art. Because you don't know that what that art can do for you or how that art will help you in the future. So if you have any interest related to some arts, make sure that you pursue it, make sure that you learn it in your 20s, because after that you might not get that time to work on that art or to learn that art. So learning new art can always help you, and as my mom says that any learning in your life will never go for a waste. So yes, learning a new art can be an option. Apart from that, you can learn a new language altogether. So for example, Sanskrit. Nowadays people think that Sanskrit is the dead language and it cannot give you that job, or it cannot give you the career of your dreams. But this is a myth. There are so many foreign universities that are looking for Sanskrit scholars. So if not Sanskrit, because I will highly recommend learning Sanskrit, and if not Sanskrit, there are so many foreign languages like Spanish, Japanese, German, and there are so many other options out there. French is one of them. So you can learn different languages, and learning new languages, foreign languages, or any other language can open a whole new horizon of career for you. So learning a new language can be an option. The third thing in this point I want to mention is learning a new skill. It can be video editing skill, it can be sound engineering skill, it can be graphic designing skill, it can be any other skill. There are so many options available on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare. There are so many courses that you can do, online courses, and you can learn a new skill, and maybe learning these skills can give you the job of your dreams or the career that you always wanted. So learning a new skill can be an option. Make sure that you learn something new in your 20s. The second thing that you must do in your 20s is starting your side hustle. I cannot emphasize on it more because it is so important to start something of your own in your early age. Now the question is why? So looking at today's situation, we can see that we cannot depend on single source of income. And when I talk about single source of income, I'm talking about your job. So you cannot completely fully depend on your job, because it will give you your salary, your money, but that won't give you the ability to have the dream life that you want. So if you want something in your life so big, if you want to achieve something big, you have to start early. So if you have any different talent in you, any skill in you, make sure that you utilize it to the best. You learn about that skill, that art more and more through online courses, and start your own side hustle, because learning something new can never help you if you don't utilize that learning. And to utilize that learning, you can start your side hustle, side income, side project, whatever you want to call it. You must do it, because the early you'll start, the more results you'll get in your future, and maybe you will retire earlier and enjoy the rest of the life while you'll be having that energy to enjoy it, right? So starting your side hustle is so important. I remember when I was in Pune 3-4 years back, I was 21-22 years old, and I used to teach Kathak dance to kids. I used to run a dance class in Pune, because I am a trained Kathak dancer. So that helped me there to start a different kind of side hustle. After that, when I was doing my journalism course, I realized that I have that writing skills, that I can start my freelancing, and I started then and there only. So I used to take small projects. So it is not important to have something big in your first go. You can start by small steps, but what makes the difference that you start. So it is really important to start at your early age. Start your side hustle. Maybe you will have one client, one small client in first go, but that will give you the confidence to do something of your own, to have that big goal in front of your eyes, and to have that ability to achieve that goal on your own. So this is so important, to give you that confidence, to give you that ability to achieve something big, that you start something of your own in your 20s. I want to talk about one more important thing. The third thing here is savings. You are looking at today's situation, the COVID situation, and it is an eye-opener for all of us that we really need to have big savings for our future, because we don't know what is there in our future, right? So whenever you get your first job, this is my mom's rule, and when I got my first job, she taught me one thing. Even if when I was just doing one internship that was paying me a limited amount, a very less amount, she told me that whatever you get in your hand, save at least 10% of it in first go. And as soon as you get your salary, just save that 10% and then use the remaining salary. This developed one habit in me, that whenever I get my salary or whenever I get my income now, I save a certain percentage first and then I use the remaining income, right? So savings are really important, and usually we get our first job at the age of 23 years, 24 years, or 25 or so on. That doesn't matter that how much salary you're getting. What matters is that whatever you're getting, you're saving a certain amount from that. So develop this habit of saving as early as you can, because definitely you want to buy that one dream dress, definitely you want to go to different places with your friends, definitely you want to do the shopping from your first salary, and you really want to do it, and you can do it, but make sure that you do it after keeping that saving aside. So make sure that you develop this habit of saving in your 20s, because that will decide what your future will look like. The fourth thing I want to mention here is have a circle of friends that will discuss about goals in your life. So 20s is the age where you spend the most of your time with your friends, with your different circles. You might have different circles, like I used to have one college friend circle, one dance class friend circle, after that office friends circle, and circles like that. So maybe you have different friends that you spend time with, that you hang out with. Make sure that you hang out with people who motivates you to achieve big goals in your life, or at least who motivates you to dream big, who motivates you to achieve something big in your life. Why? Because as we know that our company decides most of our habits, and our habits decides our future. So if you get good company, you will definitely be motivated to do something in your life, to do something good in your life, to have a good life, to achieve a good life, to achieve the biggest dream that you can see, that you can think of. And if you have bad company, you always concentrate on the things that are not good for your life, that are not good for your future altogether, and you don't understand this difference of good and bad at that point. But after those years have passed and you see other people achieving something big in their life, then you realize that you did the mistake of falling in that trap of friends, falling in that trap of bad company, and then you always feel that you lost those precious years. And I'm sure that you don't want to feel like that. So make sure that you have good company, that you have people around you who talk about achieving something in life, who talk about being your own boss, who talk about achieving that dream life that you can think of. Because there are so many things that decides our future, and our friends are one of them. So I used to have really motivating people around me. I'm still having really motivating people around me, and friends and family are the biggest part of it. So they helped me to achieve so many things till date in my life, and now also I'm pursuing a big dream, and there are people who are supporting me in that, who are motivating me, who are my inspiration, you can say that. So have company that will motivate you. The fifth thing that I want to mention here is start saving in your travel fund. Start building a travel fund. Now let's accept the fact that we all want to travel the whole world. We all want to go to so many different places and explore the world in our young days, early days, right? But to do that, we need a lot of money. And after this COVID situation, the travel industry will definitely be more expensive. And to afford that, we must build a travel fund, and we start building it as early as we can. Because as we all know that it is not easy to save a lot of amount in one go, right? We cannot do that. Let's accept the fact. So to do it, what I try to do is I divide my savings in 3 different segments. The one is general saving, that I have to do no matter what, that I will do no matter what. Second, an emergency fund, because that is a necessary for our future and for even our present as well. And the third is travel fund, because I feel that travel is our dream, travel is our शौक, and as my elder says that अपने शौक अपने पैसों से पूरे करने चाहिए. So if you want to achieve your dreams, if you want to travel the world, make sure that you do that by your own hard-earned money. And for doing that, you have to save a lot of money. And I know that you cannot do that in first go, but at least you try to save as much as you can. And when you will build that travel fund and you will have that budget to visit a dream place that you have, you will surely do that. You can surely do that. We did that last year. In 1 year, we visited 3 places. Me and my husband visited 3 places. We went to Phuket, Thailand, we went to Jaipur, and we went to Goa. And we did all that by our hard-earned money. So I'm really proud of it, because we wanted to travel the world and we did it by our travel fund. So make sure that you start building your travel fund in your 20s, so that whenever you get time, you don't have to think about money, you don't have to think about now how we can afford the tickets, the hotel bookings, the flight bookings, and etc. You can do anything that you want from your travel fund. And the last thing I want to mention in this series is make sure that you find a good mentor for you. This is so important because 20s is the age where we might or might not get that direction for our life, for our career, and for so many important things in our life. So finding a perfect mentor will definitely help you to find that direction, to find that purpose in your life. I recently found one of my mentor is Saloni Srivastav. You all know her. She is a famous, renowned YouTuber, and she's recently started her academy, Hustle Post Academy, and I am a member of it. And I'm really happy that I joined that course, that I made that decision to make her my mentor. And I'm really happy because she's mentoring me to achieve my dreams that I had from so long, but I had no courage to pursue that dream and to do all the things that was necessary to achieve that dream. So she pushed me to do it. She insisted me to do it. And there are so many, like I would not say so many, but there are a few mentors in my life who are really helping me to achieve my dream life, to achieve my dreams that I have, and they are really motivating me. So make sure that you also find a perfect mentor for you in your 20s, because at that time you really need direction. You really need that one guiding light that will show you the path and that will give you the purpose of your life. So it is really always great to have that mentor as early as you can. So make sure that you have that mentor in your 20s who will show you the path. So yes guys, this was it. These were the 6 things that I wanted to talk about that you must do in your 20s. I am repeating these things because they are really important, and if you do that, if you think about all these things in your 20s, you will definitely have the brightest future, and I am wishing all of you all the best to have that future in your life. So I hope that this video was helpful for you all, and if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also, do let us know in the comment section below that what you feel about your 20s and all these things that I've talked about. Also, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because free hai, kar do. We will meet in next video next week. Till then, bye bye. Take care.